English for all learners. Present continuous tense. We form the present continuous tense with the subject plus am, is, or are plus verb plus ing. I am singing. He is talking on the phone. We are sitting. We make questions by placing am, is, or are before the subject. Am I watching TV? Is he playing football? Are they leaving tonight? In negative sentences, we add not to am, is, or are. I am not watching TV. She is not cooking. We are not buying a new phone. When do we use the present continuous tense? For something that is happening now. He is thinking at the moment. She is playing volleyball. For an arrangement in the near future. I am meeting him tonight. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel. Present continuous tense quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.